News on the economy and the fight against inflation in this country, the prices you're paying really for everything. Tonight, the Federal Reserve raising that key benchmark interest rate yet again in a battle to slow inflation. The increase, another 0.75 percentage point, the fifth hike this year. How this will affect credit cards, car loans, new mortgages, and will it work to slow inflation? Here's our chief business and economics correspondent, Rebecca Jarvis now.
Tonight, in the fight against inflation, the Federal Reserve raising that key interest rate by another 0.75 percentage point.
We have got to get inflation behind us. I wish there were a painless way to do that. There isn't.
Today's hike, the third since June, will make new car and home loans more expensive. You'll also pay more on your credit card. Take, for example, the average balance, about $7,000. If you're making minimum payments, today's hike could cost you an additional $416 in interest. Mortgage rates, which have doubled since January to more than 6%, are heading higher too. In Washington, D.C., math teacher Emily Brown and her family have outgrown their rental, so she crunched the numbers.
It's a big life decision, so you gotta do the math.
The only way they could afford to buy was to cut their budget by $100,000.
We had to give up on some of the things we wanted, like a garage, less square feet, and even farther out from D.C. than we had originally planned.
So let's bring in Rebecca Jarvis, as we always do on this. And Rebecca, the Federal Reserve expected to keep raising rates into next year, and the Fed warning that this could all lead to higher unemployment.
That's right, David. The Fed signaled today it expects to hike interest rates another 1.25% this year. While we've seen gas prices drop more than $1 since June, other areas like those rents and groceries continue to climb. And the Fed has made it clear its number one priority is fighting inflation, even if it means the jobless rate, unemployment, goes up. David?
Rebecca Jarvis with us tonight from Lower Manhattan. Rebecca, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.